The morning sun upon the waves, a golden path ahead. We're sailing under endless skies where joy and hope are spread. With Christ our compass shining bright, we chart a course so true. Through calm and storm he leads the way, the sky a perfect blue. In the wind beneath our sails and faith our guiding star, we trust in you to carry us no matter near or far. Through every tide and gentle breeze your love will never fail. Our hearts are anchored in your grace, you fill our every sail. We sail the seas of endless light where the waters sparkle bright. With Christ our guide we rise and glide through day and peaceful night. With every wave that lifts us high we see the shores of gold. The fleet of love we journey on with stories yet untold. Ships passing gently in the night like family and friends. We sail together side by side on journeys without end. Your hand upon the wheel of life, we trust in your design. Through tight swells and quiet seas, you keep us all in line. We welcome you aboard our ship with joy and hearts so light. The North Star high, the seas aglow, you're our eternal light. Through gentle surf and silver skies we sail with endless grace. For you our captain, lead us on, no storm can take your place. We sail the seas of endless light where the waters sparkle bright. With Christ our guide we rise and glide through day and peaceful night. With every wave that lifts us high we see the shores of gold. The fleet of love we journey on with stories yet untold. Your love, it pulls us near. You're the anchor in the deepest sea. There's nothing left to fear. With you beside us, Lord of all, the journey feels like home. Your presence is our harbor safe wherever we may roam. Seas, our sails forever high. With Christ the wind beneath our wings will reach the endless sky. On shores of gold and peaceful calm we'll rest and never part. For Christ our compass guides us home forever in his heart.